Good morning, first graders. Today we're going to be working with a skill that I think we've been struggling with lately, and that is capitalizing proper nouns. And we've talked a little bit about nouns, but we're going to look specifically at when we need to capitalize some of them. So just to get our brains warmed up and in the mode of thinking about nouns, what are we thankful for? Look on your sheet. You have one in front of you that has calls warming up the brain, and there's a paragraph that talks about Thanksgiving. So just go ahead and read through that and circle all the nouns that you can find. Just getting our brains thinking about what are nouns. So read through it to yourself and circle all the nouns, and I'll know you're ready to go when your pencils are down and your eyes are on me. Becky's putting her name on her paper. Awesome job, thank you. Alright, just to move on for time, we're going to go ahead and look at some of the answers. So some of the nouns in the sentences, who can tell me one noun that they found? Elena?
Family.
Family. Very good. Someone show me another noun that they found? Yes, Jenny.
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving. Very good. Today we're looking at nouns, and we're going to think about it in light of Thanksgiving, because Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday, as you saw in my story. That was all about me. And so what are some things that we're thankful for? Raise a hand if something you're thankful for. I'm going to go ahead and write them on the board. So tell me something you're thankful for. Danielle?
My family.
Your family. Anyone else? What are some things you're thankful for? Jennifer?
My dog.
Your dog. Jennifer, what's your dog's name?
Toko.
Toko? How do you spell that?
T-O-K-O.
T-O-K-O. Someone tell me one more thing that they're thankful for. One more thing. Kelsey?
Food.
Food. Right. So looking at our list here, these are all nouns. We have family, we have dog, and we have food. And this one is also a noun, Toko. And this is called a proper noun, and we see that it's proper noun because it's capitalized. So we're going to look at some more rules about proper and common nouns. But before we do that, let's look at what we're doing today. We talked about what we're thankful for. We're going to look at what are some common and proper nouns. And then we're going to have a feast of words. These are all proper nouns. And then we're going to wrap it all up at the end. So our goal for today is that you'll be able to identify and capitalize proper nouns. And remember that these aren't just words at the beginning of the sentence. These are nouns that are hidden in the sentence that are going to be capitalized. So we talked a little bit already about what are nouns. But a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. So see, we have a pilgrim up here, we have a Native American, corn, trees, those are all nouns. And then, proper and common nouns. A proper noun is one that names a specific person, place, thing, or idea. So here for Jennifer's dog, her dog's name is Toko. That's a proper noun, but the common noun would be dog. And these are always capitalized. Proper nouns are always capitalized. No matter where they are in the sentence, they're always going to be capitalized. Common nouns are general nouns. They're never capitalized. So these are ones like family, dog, food. Here I used turkeys, so we have Tom the turkey. Tom is his name, and Tom is a noun. So that's also going to be capitalized. But if we're just talking about a turkey, that's not going to be capitalized. It's just a turkey. Here are some more examples of what proper nouns are. These are holidays, like Thanksgiving, Christmas. These are geography names, so places, Milwaukee, Lake Michigan. And then we have product names, so Legos, soda like Sprite, or McDonald's. All of these are nouns, and we need to capitalize them. So let's quick test what we know. Which one of these is the proper noun? In the first one, we have holiday and Thanksgiving. Who knows what one is the proper noun? Yes, Becky.
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving. Why did you choose that one?
So it's more specific. Holidays kind of general. There's lots of holidays. Thanksgiving is specific.
Very good. Do you see any other clues that will let us know it's a proper noun? Yes, Jennifer.
It's capitalized.
Yes, it starts with a capital letter. How about for the second one? State and Massachusetts. Which one is the proper noun? Yes, Elena.
Massachusetts.
Massachusetts is the proper noun. Very good. And then the third one, Mayflower and ship. Mayflower and ship. Kelsey?
Mayflower.
Mayflower. Very good. Now it's getting a little trickier. Which one is the proper noun here? Notice I didn't capitalize them. One of these should be capitalized though. So we have Native American and person. Which one should be capitalized, or which one is the proper noun? Yes, Daniel.
Native American.
Native American. Why did you choose that one?
Because it's a specific group of people.
It is. It's very specific. How about for the second one? We have William Bradford and a leader. William Bradford and a leader. Which one is the proper noun? Jennifer.
William Bradford.
William Bradford. Very good. That's his name. So the third one then is settler and pilgrims. Which one should be capitalized there? Jenny, which one should be capitalized? Settler or pilgrims? Think about which one is more specific.
Pilgrims.
Pilgrims is the one that should be capitalized because settler is just just a noun for a person, and pilgrims is a specific name of a people group. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to give you a sort of words, and these are all proper nouns. There's holidays in here, there's geography names, and there's product names. So what I want you to do is take the next 2 minutes or so, and we're going to go through and sort all your words into 3 categories. There's holidays, names of things, of products, and there's also names of places, geography names. So sort them into 3 different categories. So there's holidays, geography names, and product names. And you know something about these, they're all proper nouns, but none of them are capitalized. So what we're going to do next is you're going to have to write them with capital letters. You guys are flying through these. Good work. Just about done? Good work, guys. I want you to turn to your shoulder partner and see if your lists look the same. Are there any words that look different? Go ahead and talk with them real quick. See if your lists are the same or if there's any words you thought were different.
I think they look the same.
All right, good work. So right now I'm passing out, it's a foldable, and these are to store all of our proper nouns that we learned today. And what you're going to do is write your words in the 3 categories. So we have holidays, geography, and product names. You can go ahead and write that on the front if you want. And then in the side, you're going to write your words with capital letters. So for example, under holidays, I would put, which one? 4th of July. And I'd make sure I would capitalize 4th, the first letter, and July, because July is the name of a month. So I'll put that under holidays, and I'd write it with capital letters. For products, I would put Kleenex and make sure to capitalize the first letter and put that under product names. So go ahead and choose For time's sake, we're going to do about 5. Put about 5 words under each category. Put 5 words under each category, making sure to use capital letters for our proper nouns. Alright, I see a few of them are wrapping up, and so we're going to go ahead and clean up. So go ahead and put all of your words back in the paper clip, and then when you're done with that, take out your same piece of paper that we started with, which is our exit ticket, and I want you to complete the questions that are on there by yourself. So circle the correct answer for number 1 and 2, choose the proper noun, and then the third is write an example of the proper noun. This will just help me see if we understood what proper and common nouns are. So go ahead and finish that up. Right. Who can tell me what they did for number 1? Number 1. Someone want to share? People? Danielle.
Exit ticket.
Yeah, on the exit ticket.
Holiday.
Number 1.
Holiday that's not capitalized.
Holiday is not capitalized. Very good, because it's a general. How about number 2, Elena?
The Pilgrims with a capital P.
Very good, because it's a specific person. And then finally, Becky, you want to share an example of a proper noun?
It's Wisconsin College.
Very good. So that is proper nouns for us, and we need to make sure that in our writing that we're capitalizing those words that might be a little tricky for us. But as we write, making sure to capitalize all our proper nouns no matter where they are in the sentence. So good work today.